description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got the last of the ones from Poland. I know, it's been a lot of Polish stuff. Bam, 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 huh? But, yeah, very cool. I want to thank the donor from Poland who sent these over yet again. Super kind, super duper appreciated. It's very hard for me to get varieties from Europe at all, and so this is rad. This last one is by Ajinomoto. This is their Oyakata soy sauce. So it's a shoyu ramen. Yeah. So this one gets 3 minutes in boiling water. The last one I did of this range was the miso, and it was honestly kind of bland. It reminded me of European duck instant noodle, which, ooh, yeah, that water was boiling. It's still hot. The steam from it. Ooh. All right. Well, here we go. So it is the 28th day of August 2025. It's a good day for doing things and such and stuff, and being so, we're gonna so I got a little bit of great info a while back. So the lady at the thrift store, which also you might call a secondhand store, you know, people donate stuff and then they sell it, and they have charities and stuff. They employ people, all that. Anyways, the one I go to is called St. Vincent de Paul. It's a rad thrift store. It's really big. But the new stuff coming out, it's like, it's on my way to my walks. It's on my way back from my walks, and like while the kids are out for summer, it's not an exceedingly huge long walk to get there and back. So I got this info that on Wednesday evenings, there are people that come and help put out new items. And that's good for me because I want to see new stuff. That's how I got one of my cameras. They're just sitting there in a case. It was only 15 bucks. I'm like, yeah, I want that. But I'm also interested in getting, what do you call them? 78 RPM records. So, yeah. And then they have miscellaneous electronics and stuff. Sometimes there's new electronics, sometimes there really isn't. But, yeah. More than once, I've stood there and waited with like maybe 2 or 3 other people for the doors to be opened. And, it's been lucrative. I've gotten some good stuff. Need a bigger apartment. But I mean, you think, oh, thrift store stuff, dude? That's like all crap. It's like, that's the way my mom and sister were. They just wouldn't even, no, I buy retail, you know, that kind of thing. It's like, dude, I've found some amazing stuff. They had a bunch of camera lenses before I got the camera that I ended up with. And, I really wish I would have swooped in on some of those because they were like $9 a pop, and they would have fit this camera to a T. And these camera lenses like these go for like $200-300, sometimes even $400. They weren't Canon lenses. They were like a different brand, but whatever. They were autofocus. So, oh well. But yeah, it was funny though, like some of the cameras right on the front, right on the lens, here's our price tag. You're not supposed to do that. Anyways, let's give this a final good stir, as it were. This one doesn't feel like it hydrated as well as the last. Well, maybe not. Okay. We've given it all the loving it's gonna get. Come on. Now be a good shoyu. Be a tasty shoyu. So, Ajinomoto is the company that it's hard to say invented, but I guess they did. They made it a consumer product, MSG. Also known as meat tenderizer, which I always thought was interesting. I like the noodle. And here's the broth. Again, like the miso, it kind of looks thin. You know, I would not at first thought call that a shoyu ramen. It's just kind of like ramen flavored. It's really nondescript. Not to say it's bad. I like it, but it's not as advertised. Would be my thoughts on it. Maybe close to. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe over time the noodle will lose some of its chewiness, but for now it's pretty good. I've never had a debate with people on that point. It's like, oh, it says it's 3 minutes. Yeah, but you got to wait a couple minutes after that. I've never heard that. That's why I give it like the amount of time that it calls for, and then it should be hydrated, perfect, and done. That's the way I see it. I just hope someday I don't light my camera on fire. That would suck. But I like using that. I'm gonna give this one a lengthwise slice. Oh, that's problematic. I should do a soundboard of my kids making weird noises. I could use that on the show. I don't know though. That could go either way. I'm sure I would get some people that are like, make it stop. These scallions weren't so bad. I don't know. I like my... I miss my south of the border produce. I support those who are being hunted. Such a weird thing. I think it's wrong, ugly, and sad. And a little of the short and curly chili. I'll just say it. I think this stuff looks like pubic hair, like red pubic hair. But it's neat. It's it's chili thread. It's not pubic hair, but it definitely kind of gives you that, oh, that kind of looks like that kind of thing. But it's neat. I'm stoked I found it. I'll be getting more when I run out of it. So, Rotato, do your stuff. Well, thank you very much. I really don't know what I'm going to review tomorrow. I'm debating this deal. I'm almost 200 reviews ahead. I'm thinking of taking a month off. My wife was like, you should do it. You deserve it. You've been doing a lot of reviews this summer. And so, I don't know. We'll see. I'm really, really thinking about it. And that kind of, it's tough though. I really like what I do. But it would definitely allow me to get more stuff to review. But I don't know. That's a really hard thing for me, is to like shut off the spigot. But as of this one, I'll have done 5,489 reviews. It'd be nice to get to 5,500 and go in a holding pattern. That'd be neat. If I get to 200 reviews ahead, that'll be the most reviews ahead of the current post of the day I've ever been. Ever. So I think probably that's where I'm at right now, is I'm more reviews ahead than I've ever been before. This episode's coming out, late January, which means my post for this will come out on www.theramenraider.com in mid-February? Late February? So it's August 12th, right? Or August 28th right now, 12th. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I need to like chillax and let it kind of but we'll see. I mean, we're getting to a point where usually I like to have wrapped up all the reviews I'm going to do when I do my picks for the top 10 list, like the global top 10. So, yeah, I don't know. But we'll see. All right. I hope you enjoy your doings and such. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.